नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं पंजाब भारत टाइम्स और मैं हूं मुकेश बावा। बात करेंगे आज दिक्कत मैम खुराना से के साथ। और जैसे जानते हैं फेस्टिवल का सीजन स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, दीपावली है, तो क्या नया है मैम इस बार दीपावली के ऊपर?
Hi, I'm Drishti Khurana from the Couture by KGH and wishing everyone a very happy Diwali and a very happy Dhanteras. Dhanteras marks the beginning of Diwali and the Couture by KGH is a one-stop destination. यहाँ आपको like from your smallest occasions to your bigger celebrations, you get everything under one roof. Like whether it's your outfits, your accessories, we also have a franchisee of Moments and like we also have silverware as well. So yes, you get everything under one roof. And talking in terms कि जी नया क्या है, आप जानते हैं कि जैसे कि फेस्टिवल सीजन है, like bright colors, vibrant colors are all around. So हमने बहुत ही beautiful एक festive collection launch करी है. And what better day to launch it than on Dhanteras?
मैम दीपावली उसके बाद साथ में जो ब्राइडल सीजन भी स्टार्ट हो चुका है, तो इस तरह का इस बार कैसे ब्राइडल को जो कॉस्ट्यूम होंगे और किस तरह से तैयारी की गई है?
So like in bridal season, it's not just के हमें heavy outfits चाहिए होते हैं, right? Especially in India, जब किसी की शादी होती है तो it's a union of two families, right? So like everything, whether it's like the trousseau stuff for a bride, not just for a bride, like for the bride's mother, for the bride's grandparents, like for the bridesmaid, we have everything under one roof. तो जैसे कि शादी में आप जानते हैं कि a lot of like gifting happens. So जैसे we have things that begin from say 2,500 rupees, like beautiful unstitched suits that like obviously कोई भी अपनी choice से उसको stitch करवा सकता है, वहाँ से लेके to your bridal outfits, like even designer wear from designers, best of designers across the country like Tarun Tilyani, Dolly J, we have everything under one roof. So like जैसे कि obviously like fun भी होता है कि आप जाएं like in like bigger cities, like look for your outfits and all, but obviously at some point of time you want your family to be there, you want your entire family to be there. So Khuranas is definitely a one stop destination जहाँ आप अपनी family के साथ आ सकते हैं और आपको सब कुछ under one roof में मिलेगा, from exquisite jewelry from Khurana Jewelry House and of course our like the entire wedding collection, your gifting range, you get everything under one roof.
हमेशा देखने को मिलता है जब फेस्टिवल का सीजन निकलता है तो ब्राइडल्स शादी ब्याह का सीजन स्टार्ट होता है तो अलग अलग तरह से कलेक्शंस हाई जैसे मेहंदी की रस्म पे अलग कॉस्ट्यूम है, तो ऐसे में खास जो आपकी तरफ से ऑर्गेनाइज भी किए जाते हैं, प्रोग्राम्स भी ऑर्गेनाइज किए जाते हैं, इस बार क्या कुछ खास है ऐसा कुछ?
I mean we just had like our annual event which was the Karwa Chauth event. So like every client is very very special to us. So इस बारी हमने Ritu's मेहंदी से ही tie up किया था and we had complimentary like मेहंदी for everyone. Talking of the festive season right now, again like each and every client is very very important to us. So with every purchase we are giving out a free gift.
क्या मैसेज देंगे आज के इस पर्पज जो दीपावली का त्योहार भी बच रहा?
Firstly, तो I would really like to like thank everyone कि over these years आप सबने हमें इतना प्यार दिया है that like we also keep evolving and we keep bringing new things to the city and yes like the message that I would like to give to everyone is that ये बहुत ही खुशियों का माहौल है, spend time with your family, have like spend good quality time with your family, like these are traditions जो over the years बने हुए हैं हमारी country में और हमें उसको जरूर alive रखना चाहिए. And yeah, like just like celebrate around, be kind and yeah, one message that like since we all know that like there is a lot of environmental change that we are seeing, like do try not to burn crackers this time and like celebrate a green Diwali. Even if you want to do like a family activity together, please plant some trees and like yeah, wishing you a very happy and a safe Diwali.
जी मैम, जो पंजाबी कल्चर है, पंजाब का एक अलग ही कल्चर है, शादी ब्याह में किसी भी फेस्टिवल सीजन में भी अगर देखा है तो अलग कल्चर होता है, ज्वेलरीज और हैवी सूट्स कॉस्ट्यूम वगैरह भी हैवी होते हैं, तो कैसा रहा? अभी रिसेंटली में अभिषेक शर्मा के सिस्टर की भी मैरिज हुई है, तो क्या कहेंगे?
You know, like it's definitely a moment of pride for all of us that the entire Sharma family chose Khurana jewels, and you know, like a lot of outfits were from the couture by KJH. So yeah, I still remember Komal's bangles outfit. She chose like a Tarun Tilyani outfit. Along with it, she chose polki jewelry. It was a beautiful signature look, and I think there couldn't be a better way to portray a Punjabi bride. She definitely set the trends for 2025 brides. And yeah, like from every function to her bridal look, like we are blessed that like we could be a part of their beautiful journey. And yes, it's definitely a moment of pride for all of us.
इतिहास रिपीट हो रहा है, लोग फिर अपने पुराने कल्चर की तरफ जो जा रहे हैं, तो कैसा लगता है कि जो वही पुराना कल्चर, वही पहरावा, ज्वेलरीज, वो चीज देखने को मिल रही है, तो कैसा लगता है?
I believe it's not really repeating. Like, it is a part of our history and culture. So I strongly feel that, like we all should really value that. क्योंकि ये एक थोड़ी परंपराएं हैं, एक वे है कि like ऐसे you are supposed to get dressed. हर एक चीज का अपनी अपनी importance है, महत्वता है, right? तो अगर वो हम ट्रेडिशंस कल्चर फॉलो करेंगे तो ही आगे वाली जनरेशन भी उसको फॉलो करेगी. सो आई स्ट्रांगली फील कि हम like जितना भी ये enthusiasm देख रहे हैं the youngsters that they want to wear the Punjabi things, they want to wear the Punjabi attires, follow like our traditions and cultures. It's a beautiful thing and we should definitely follow. चाहे वो like हमारा heirloom है या वो हमारा handloom है, हमें definitely उसको promote करना चाहिए and हमें उसको proudly डालना चाहिए. जैसे talking of the like Amritsari Jadau jewelry, that is a heritage and a cultural jewelry sector जो हमें definitely promote भी करना चाहिए. So yes, like I believe in your collection you should definitely have a piece of Jadau jewelry and उसी को match करने के लिए जैसे कि फुलकारी है तो हमें फुलकारी को भी चाहे modern way से उसको use करें, but we should definitely like start wearing those things and be proud of our history and our culture.
खुराना का 75 years कंप्लीट हो रहा है, वो कैसी जर्नी रही और क्या कहेंगे शहरवासियों?
Like this is actually a very special moment. It's a milestone जो over the generations has been achieved. So yes, I mean from the entire Khurana family, firstly we would like to thank each and every member for giving us so much love, and हर एक client हमारे लिए बहुत ही खास है, and you guys have given us so much love that has like got us here. And yes, just keep showering the love on us and like keep the trust alive, and yes, we also promise to be a part of your eternal memories.
थैंक यू.
Thank you very much.
जी बिल्कुल, आप बने रहे पंजाब भारत टाइम के साथ.